Although the French have reacted quickly in airlifting extra troops and supplies to bolster their 6,000-strong garrison and underlined their point by sending in more ships, both they and the local administration they support are resigned to the territory becoming independent very soon. But for the moment, France is determined to protect this last French possession in Africa, especially against any attempt at a takeover by next-door neighbor Somalia. There are getting on for 20,000 French citizens in the Afars and Isas, mostly in the capital Djibouti. Djibouti is the sole western base on the entire 7,000-mile east coast of Africa, and protecting it becomes daily more difficult. The French have long been able to seal off the city from the dangers of the surrounding desert. But the wire fence only emphasizes the isolation and the forces ranged against the French coalition.